Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to play hide and seek in Among Us. To play hide and seek in Among Us, you'll either need to host the game or join a hide and seek lobby. So first of all, open up Among Us on your device, and once you do that, from the home page, tap on the play button. Now go ahead and select the local option from the menu and then click on hide and seek. Now wait for the players to join into the game, and once the players join in the game, you will then be able to start up hide and seek. The basic rules for hide and seek are: one person is chosen as the imposter, the rest of the players are crewmates, and the imposter will count down while the crewmates run and hide, and typically the imposter will count to 15 to 30 seconds before they start seeking. After you do that, the crewmates must try to avoid the imposter and complete tasks, and if they are caught, they are out of the round. And that way you will be able to start playing hide and seek on Among Us. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.